Ra, Dha, Swa, A, Mi. We may be forgiven for any careless mistakes. The motivations for this study are the works of Param Guru Huzur Satsangi Sahab and Param Guru Maharaj Sahab, the discourse on numbers and prime numbers by Gracious Huzur. Apart from this, the mathematical operation of multiplying 9 with any number and adding the sum of digits resulting to 9 had fascinated us. Therefore, we applied these operations on all numbers. Addition and subtraction are the only two pure principles. Multiplication and division are secondary functions, and all other functions are tertiary functions. When applied sequentially, all these functions exhibit linear growth. To see numbers beyond their linear behavior, we have adopted the digital sum technique. For instance, if you take the number 5, 6, 3, 4, the digital sum would be 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 18. If the sum is not yet a single digit, the process is repeated. 1 plus 8 equals 9. This is our research methodology. Numbers 1 and 8, the chronological pair. We can clearly see both numbers are mirrors. Number 1 is upward, number 8 is downward. Number 1 is odd and number 8 is even. Both numbers are chronological and in different direction. For number 1, on reaching 9, sudden fall to 1. For number 8, on reaching 1, sudden climb to 9. Sacred geometry of a nonagon is formed, a circle-like approximation but not a circle. Numbers 2 and 7, the odd even prime pair. Again, both these numbers are mirrors. Number 2 is upward, number 7 is downward. Number 2 is even, number 7 is odd. Number 2 is prime and number 7 is also prime. Number 9 comes only in an alternate cycle. Sacred geometry of Enneagram flower-like pattern formed. Nakshatra system based on 27 nakshatras. Numbers 3 and 6, the stable high frequency pair isolated from 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Both the numbers are mirrors. Number 3 is upward, number 6 is downward. Number 3 is odd, number 6 is even. Number 3 is prime, number 6 is not prime. Tesla was inspired by 369 and designed the three-phase system of electricity. This may also signify the principle of Trinity. Sacred geometry of triangle, pyramid-like structure, like Mount Meru, is formed in both these numbers. The complex high-frequency flux pair. Both numbers are mirrors. Number 4 is downward, number 5 is upward. Number 4 is even, number 5 is odd. Number 4 is not a prime and number 5 is a prime. High frequency, high flux and odd even sets. Sacred geometry of a 9-point star is formed. We know the significance of the symbol of star in Judaism, Christianity and Islam. Number 9, the solo stable divine like. When the multiplicative digital sum method is applied, we get 9 in the result leading to a straight line. Number 9 is a point of equilibrium for all numbers and appears in every number. Simply if we go by digital sums, 9 appears divine, which it surely is. However, if we do divisional digital sums of 9, 9 breaks its stability at the levels of 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 and 18. Therefore, it clearly indicates it is not the pinnacle of divinity and stability. The number 9 is the imperfect fractal of 0. And finally, number 0. The ultimate divine entity, number that signifies perfection, represents nothingness or absence, defines neutrality in addition and subtraction, can't be divided by itself, when multiplied by any number yields a 0, when added after a number increases its value, can only be indirectly derived through neti, can only be felt or experienced. By this system, the number that represents the ultimate divine division, Nirmal Chetan Desh. On grouping all the information that we have learnt so far, a structure is formed which we have named as fundamental base 10 numeric fractal. 3 groupings emerge out of this fractal, that is, number 0 like Nirmal Chetan Desh, number 9 like Advait, non-dual, peaks of Brahmand, numbers 1 to 8 like Dvait, dual, Pind and the lower regions of Brahmand. Also 3 cycles emerge from this fractal, that is, 1-8 level to 9 and then back to 1-8 level. This is the cycle of the birth and death. Then 1-8 level to 9 level, and then being relatively stable and in a blissful existence. And finally, 1-8 level to 9 level, and then from 9 level achieving the 0 level. This can only be achieved by the grace of a Sant Sadguru via true salvation and Surat Shabd Yog Marg. And finally, in this fractal, 2 channels emerge. Like the human body is having 2 nadis, excluding the central Sushumna nadi, the number system too shows the same phenomena. At the levels of 4 and 5, we can see the direction of the patterns change, pointing towards some merger of sorts of these 2 channels, the likes of Alal Pach, Samphir Ultami, As Mere Pyare, Ra Dha Swa A Mi. On comparing both these systems, we find that each of these groupings has 3 broad divisions and 6 levels. Also, this shows the base 10 system is naturally aligned with the base 6 system. Also, this shows that the symmetry and structure that emerges with mathematical operations on numbers is identical to the symmetry and structure articulated by gracious Huzur Dr. Prem Saran Satsangi Sahab via internal spiritual exploration using the practices of Surat Shabd Yog. In this slide, we try to see the parallels between the fundamental numeric base 10 fractal and the holy Shabda करूं संतमत का मैं थोड़ा बयां, परे सबके है कुल मालिक का धाम, परम पुरुष राधा स्वामी है उनका नाम. This establishes the pure principle of राधा स्वामी दयाल. किया उसने इस तरह इजहार हाल कि हे सतपुरुष मेरे दाता दयाल, जो दे देश में राज दीजे मुझे, सुरत अंश का बीज दीजे मुझे, मुझे यहाँ का रहना सुहाता नहीं, तुम्हारा मुझे देश भाता नहीं. These studies reflect the pure principle of eternal polarization. यह सुनकर किया पुरुष ने अस जवाब, निकल जाओ तू यहाँ से खाना खराब, तले देश में जाके रचना करो, वहां बैठकर राज अपना करो. प्योर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एक्सपल्जन ऑफ काल. निरंजन हुआ नाम उस धार का, हुआ काल का अंग उस धार का. Seems to harmonize with the concept of 9. It is interesting to note that in the numeric fractal, numbers 8, 7 and 6 have a downward direction, whereas 1, 2, 3 have an upward direction. At numbers 4 and 5, the directions change. 4 becomes downwards and 5 becomes upwards. पुरुष ने लई दूसरी धार उपाय, हुआ पीत रंग आद्या नाम ताय. This study seems to harmonize with the number 8. हुकुम से ये धारा उतारी गई, निरंजन के संग जाए मिलती भई. This study seems to point towards the intersection at level 4 and 5. Let us now see the correlations with the Jyotish Rashi zodiac system. One can reasonably infer that the Vedic seers who probably developed this system knew about these mirror patterns. Let us now see the correlations with the nakshatra system and also the prime ratio trend. The ratio of the prime numbers on either side moves from 3:2 in the first octave to 2:1 in the second octave to 1:1 in the third octave. This points towards a balance in channels being achieved in the third octave. This is only valid if one is considered prime. We have associated 0 as the epitome of creation. Through Neti Neti approach, 0 was alluded to Nirmal Chetan Desh in an indirect way. However, Ra, Dha, Swa, Ami, Dayal is that infinite entity transcending all definitions, whether direct, indirect or conceptual, existing beyond the grasp of thought, word or symbol. And therefore, Ra, Dha, Swa, Ami, Dayal is the ultimate entity which is above and beyond even 0. With an interesting fact, the sum of cubes of all the single digit numbers from 1 to 9 is 2025. Happy Shiksha Divas. Ra Dha Swa A Mi.